Namaskara, I am your Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to clarify some of the points raised by my farmers, some doubts I can say. So, about OWDC, some people has made the doubt that OWDC when they are multiplying, first thing they are not getting the foaming. So that I told you already. OWDC, when you are multiplying, it depends upon your water condition. Water condition means it's your pH, it's TDS, total dissolved solids, total suspended solids, calcium, our magnesium, or iron. So these are the factors. If suppose iron is more, you will not get the much foaming. Calcium, it is also restricting your foaming. It is one part. Other part is there if your this pH is also less or more, it also affects the foaming. So don't worry for the foaming, but some foaming will get. Somebody are getting more foaming, but everywhere some foaming is there. If it is foam is not there, even then it will multiply. That I told you. Whether because it is oxygenated bacteria, it will multiply automatically. Without shake also you get. That you can practically see in your house, practically see in your field. So you don't worry for the foaming, but work is same, quality is same. Bottle when you are getting with my photo, it is all precautions has been taken. That is one point. And now some people have raised whether this OWDC can be used with NBWDC. So these are the product NWDC, because you know this NWDC when you are multiplying, it takes 20 days. After 21 days when it is ready, this is already ready in 7 days. While using it, you can combine for the irrigation. Why? Because NWDC, it also protect, this is main protection work from your wild crab, your ants, then third is your mites. So this is required 500 liter only. Along with this OWDC, whatever quantity you are putting, suppose 1000 you are putting, so that you have to put 1000, 500 you are putting with this, now you can reduce 1500, means now 500 and 500 both, because if you are using 1000 liter per acre, then half you have taken this, half you have taken this. So this will improve the soil, and also it will unwanted your disease causing this your bacteria or your pest, it will be taken care by this NWDC. So that is a use. While using this in the field, you can combine it. So it is no harm. But when you are multiplying, you have to multiply separately this with the container. Both you have to multiply in the plastic container. But after multiplication, you can combine it. So somebody has raised whether we can combine this NBWDC, OWDC and Gadha Gomut. That is the Gadha Gomut. Of course, this can be also combined. So how to combine it? Suppose you are going to use it, Gadha Gomut. If you want to use NWDC, you can take 50%, means 100 liter, you can take this one, 100 liter water. Then you put your Gadha Gomut. It is ready after 24 hours. Then you can mix and use it. Or you can multiply it separately, 200 liter, take 100 liter from here, 100 liter NWDC, both combined and sprayed. So that also you can done. But when you are using the chemicals, when you are using the pesticides, then at that time you have to mix only with Gadha Gomut. At that time you cannot mix NWDC. I think it is clear. So all combined you can use, but chemicals when you are putting in the your Gadha Gomut, then you kindly avoid it. Other point, if you are using Gadha Gomut along with your growth hormones or your seaweeds or any your urea, DAP, MOP. At that time you can mix this along with NWDC. That is no harm. But when you are mixing the chemical, try to avoid it. So you can try in some small pieces because you may get some small result because bacterial composition has been taken care to less effect of chemicals on this bacteria. But even then, it is a precaution. But if you want to try, you can try and give me the feedback. But I am really very thankful to all of my farmers. Here they are using it and getting the very positive results and sharing their videos in their local language, and it is helping to the other farmers. So again, I request you, kindly use it all together, separate whatever you like. There is no harm. All the time when you are multiplying, always you have to multiply in the plastic container. Thank you very much.